Hello, I'm Jolene Speak and welcome to the first of my Dance Fit workouts that I'm putting out there for you. This one today is nice and easy, chilled out, sounds of the bassio and a bit of dance. Just nice and easy to follow. You've got your full workout with your warm up and your cool down at the end. And as I said, it's nice and easy, so let's get started. Okay, let's get warmed up. And the other side. Woo! Other side. And again. V-step, let's go. Take it round, come on. Start on your right, let's go, take it out. Really important to get everything nice and warm and let's just enjoy the music. Let's take it out. And again, come on. Back to the top. Woo! Your own style, your own flavour. And again. Keep it here, let's go. Take it out. Down. And again. Woo! And back. V-step. Woo! And again. Woo! One more time. Back to the top. Let's go. Okay, let's do our second part of this warm-up. Take the feet apart. Shoulder roll. Okay, just nice easy squat. A few more. Keep the arms nice and strong. Up the knees. Okay, single, double. Trying to get everything nice and warm. Okay, take it over. Take it across. Move to bend that knee. Let's go, take it round. Down onto the toe. And again. Other toe. Remember to bring those feet up. Look to the side when you're taking that arm up. And again. Few more. Okay, take it to the side. Back to the squat. Take it a bit further down if you can. Breathe. And enjoy the music. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Just keeping it low impact. We're still warming up. You're not really going to jump yet. And up to the side. And over. Cross. That's it. Let's go. Strong. Bang! Few more. Right in the park, okay, nice and easy to follow dance, bit of a boogie, okay then. So I'm going to take the arms out. That's it. So we're going down, onto the toes, back up. Out your frustration, just say a word. One more time. Keep on staring at the two more times. God knows who hurt. Okay, hands on the hips. Your walls, 5 feet underground. Nice, easy, bit of drama now. Let's go. Take it to the side. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And shoulder roll. And again. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. But I told you so. Side forward. That's all it is. Later. Woo! Ow! Few more. Let's go. Like strangers, back up, scream out loud. Just nice and easy. If nothing changes, so change your heart. One more time. Here. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Okay, give me that. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Woo! With that drama. Here we go. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Woo! Okay, let's just chill out to this Basio beat. I hope I pronounced it right. I love this track. It's nice and easy, own style. Funk it up, come on. Drop your foot, come on. Okay, nice and easy with that jazz. Okay, put the reggae back in. Here we go. Double. Let's go. You're on start, take it back. Come. Woo! Here we go. Back to the top. Nice and easy. Come. Okay, here we go. Few more. And again. Let's go. Take it. A bit bigger this time if you want to. Wicked. Okay, give me a nice shoulder roll. Take it. Really important part. Okay, take it round. Other way. And forward and back. This one always looks funny. That's it. Take the arm off. Go to the side. One hand to the side. You can feel free to hold on to something if you need to. And the other one. That's lovely. Okay, so the arms up. One hand on the shoulder, one on the elbow. Just holding that for a few seconds. Other side. It's nice and easy. Okay, let's continue. Let's put the head to the side. Chin on the chest. Other side. the shoulders nice and low. Feel that nice stretch. That's lovely. Okay, let's take the arms up and go onto the toes. Turn the palms up and come back down. And again, just practicing our balance. Nice and relaxed. This is a good time. Okay, the last stretch we're going to do for today is going to stretch the glutes. So I'm going to take one leg, feel free to hold on to something if you need to. And we're going to sit down. We've got the leg not on the knee, just above it. We're sitting down and feeling that nice stretch. We're going to hold it there. And the other one. That's it. Just find your balance. And then find my balance. For that nice stretch. Okay, give me 3 nice deep breaths. Breathe in. And again. And very well done. So I hope you enjoyed the first of my workouts that I'm putting out for you. The next one I'm going to be doing hopefully is the cha-cha-cha, coming out in a few days. So make sure that you subscribe. Yep, subscribe, and don't forget to press that little bell so that you get a notice whenever I put a video out. Okay, so just keep dancing. Remember, you can always visit this one again and again. It's a nice and easy one, so you can just do it anytime, any day. And I'll see you soon. Bye.